First of all, hello everyone, and thank you so much for being here. It's nice to see all of you here. And the biggest thank you to you for all your wonderful words, first and foremost, Jitesh, and for this most prestigious opportunity which I've been waiting for the longest time. I've been very patient. I think I've had my share of tuitions in being patient right from the beginning. So patiently waited and waited for this moment to get my own solo Filmfare cover. And so when he called me and he was like, you know, Shraddha, I want to feature you on the cover. If I could, I would have done 7 backflips and jumped for 1 hour. But so I was that excited, and now finally I'm on the cover of Filmfare, so I'm on top of the world. And so as he said rightly, we've known each other through the spell of patience that I have had also. We've known each other, and he's been there, and he's been actually one of the handful of people who believed in me consistently from the start. And when everyone was saying ki, you know, her movies are not doing well, so think of somebody else, he was the one who said that. And like a pillar, he's just stood by me, saying that you're going to make it. Is what, when you hear something like that, when you're down and out, it's really encouraging. And when you hear it from those handful of people, and him being one of them, it really stays with you forever. So. Yeah, that's how I got to know Jitesh, and that faith in him, it's something that has been unshaking and unwavering, and it's been one of my most memorable experiences, one of the most fun shoots to be at, and we shot and we had a great time. It was just like shooting at home, a very fun, enjoyable atmosphere, and yeah, I find myself on the cover of Filmfare, which is going to be one of the most special things and memorable things in my life. And the whole team of Filmfare was actually there. Everybody who's here, everybody who has made this moment possible and so special. Anuradha, Vivek, everyone here, Raidata, everyone. Thank you so much for having this faith and having me on this, on top of the world.